Hi guys, another random item off Thingiverse. This one is a Spitfire MK.V by Nakazone or Nakazon, Nakozen, Nakozen. I've done quite a few of his little kits before. I don't think I've done this one. I was looking for other stuff, as I usually do, on Thingiverse, and I thought I'd download this one anyway. It's not going to be terribly challenging. There are only 4 pieces. The idea is it's business card size, so you could carry them in your wallet, I suppose. They're a bit thick for business cards, but something to do at work when you're sitting at your desk with nothing to do. And there we go. A Spitfire. I suppose I could put some glue on it to stop it falling apart again, and put a bit of cotton through the cockpit there and hang it from the ceiling. I've got quite a few other ones hanging around like that. There we go, 2 minutes. And I can't remember how long it took to print, an hour or more. Obviously it depends on the speed of your printer. Yeah, job done.